Hey guys, welcome everyone. So today we'll be looking into basic terminal commands. So without doing any late, let's get started. And just note that I'm doing this video so that you'll get familiar with the terminal commands and how to actually type the terminal commands and how they are useful and how to use the terminal. So please don't skip any part of the video and try to watch the whole video. So without doing any late, let's get started. I hope you remember the last command I told you in the last video, how to open the terminal without actually going to the terminal. So I hope you remember the shortcut. It's Alt Control and then T. Yeah, Alt Control and T. So why it's not showing? Alt Control. Okay, Alt Control and T. So yeah, it opened for us. So the first command we see here is echo hi. It's just like something like print statement or printf statement in C or print statement in Python, something like whatever we give in the terminal, it just shows in the output screen. So echo is something like that, echo blah blah blah. So yeah, it shows blah blah blah, echo. So it shows echo in the screen, output screen. Yeah, so the first command is echo, and the second command we'll look at is cal is nothing but calendar. It shows the current year with the current date displayed. And we can also do something like this, cal 2020. It shows the whole year with all the months displayed and with the current date highlighted. And we can also do something like this, cal underscore y and cal space underscore y. It showed us the current year with all the months displayed and with the current date displayed. So for the same thing like cal 2020 or cal underscore y, these two are showing the same thing, but this underscore y is called as an option. We'll be looking into how to give options in the commands. We'll be looking at into the topic later. We can also do something like PATE to view the current date. See, it displayed the current day with the current date and with the timestamp and with the time zone. Good, right? So next, the screen looks messy, right? And I wanted to clear all the screen. So for that, I need to type a command called as clear. Now the screen looks good, right? And see, every time I can't type the command like this, clear. It takes me a lot more time. So what I can do is I have a keyboard shortcut for that, so if I want to clear, I can just press something like Control L. It cleared the screen for me, which I'll be using pretty much in my videos. So it saves me a lot of time. And the next command is now I want to view the history of all the commands that I have typed. So many commands we've gone through, right? Nearly we went through 7 commands. So if I want to view the history of all those commands, I can do something like HISTORI history. This gives me history of all the commands which I have typed. So yeah, so there are a lot of things we did. So yeah, we got the history. Now in the history we can actually see that there is numbering on the left side, 1 2 3 4 in the order we have executed the commands. There is a numbering, right? So if I want to execute eighth command, that is cal 2020, how can I do it? I can easily do it by doing something like this, exclamation mark and the number. Simple. It showed me the 8 2020. And again I want to view the history. history. So now I want to execute the 12th command, uh, echo. So I want to execute that command. If I want to execute that, acho echo. Sorry, why I'm doing like this? I should use exclamation mark and 12, right? So this executes the 12th command for me, right? Echo. So the output is very clear. Now if I wanted to execute the 17th command, that is nothing but clear. Okay, so exclamation mark and 17. That's it. Everything got cleared, right? Now if I want to again see something like, if I want to view the history again, let's see the history. So there's a lot of history, right? Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to clear the history permanently. So to clear the history permanently, we need to do some scripting, which we'll be seeing in the later sections. But first, for now, you just try to understand this thing: history underscore c, and again history space underscore w. Okay, now if I see the history, so there is nothing in the history. What we have actually done, we have cleared the history. What we have done is we have history underscore c does clears the history, and history underscore w just rewrite the changes we have made. We'll be actually seeing into all that stuff once we finish doing all these things. So for now, just try understanding it. And so that's all for the day, for the video, sorry. And okay, now we have done everything, so I'll just clear the screen and I want to exit. I want to close the terminal. I can do it by pressing Ctrl D, or just by pressing the close icon, or there is a pretty other way where I can use exit command. It actually closes the terminal. Enter. Wow, it's good, right? So going in a programmatic way is always recommended. So I hope you got a clear idea of how to use the terminal, and like how terminal is used and how we can type the terminal commands. So just have a note of all the commands what I have told you, and if possible I'll try to keep the resources available in the YouTube videos in the comment section or somewhere. I'll try to pin the resource. Just try accessing it, and just try having a note of all the commands and just try practicing it in your Ubuntu system. This makes your concepts clear and you will also become a professional. Thank you.